Spacious ranch home located at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac in West Ellicott, within the Southwestern School District and serviced by BPU Electric. This well-designed 4+ bedroom, 3.5 bath home offers generous living space and an exceptional floor plan. The main level features a formal living room with built-ins and a gas fireplace, formal dining room, and a fully equipped kitchen with abundant storage, center island, and adjoining breakfast area. The kitchen opens to a comfortable den with a second gas fireplace, creating the perfect gathering space. Convenient main-level laundry is located near the attached 2-car garage and powder room. An office and additional bonus room provide flexible space for working from home, hobbies, or guests. Relax year-round in the heated Florida room featuring a wall of windows, skylights, and ceiling fans overlooking the backyard. The primary suite offers a walk-in closet, jacuzzi tub, and private water closet. 2 additional spacious bedrooms and a full bath complete the main floor. An open staircase leads to the finished lower level, which includes a private guest suite with full bath, a large family room with sliding glass doors providing direct access to the yard, a game room, and extensive storage.